Guys, and welcome back also again. And I'm Bala FX Official by name. I'm here to show you quality zones for potential buy and sells in the market. Potential, I do not say must buy or sell. It's a potential. That is, it might work and it might not work. And this is the game of probability and uncertainty. So whatsoever you have and you take your profit, you go out, you rest for the day. You understand? So without wasting much time, I'm going to look at GBP USD today. Also, after I have marked the Euro USD, all are going to be the same way, and they are also like a little bit correlated with GBP USD and Euro USD. With partially, let me say gold. Gold is on monthly resistance level. Then Euro USD also is on a, let me say, engulfing fail zones level. That is monthly. Let me say resistance also. And GBP USD also the same thing, as you can see here. As this is engulfing buy that fail because it has been broken. So we call this engulfing fail because here has broken already. So sometimes by me watching this, sometimes this is what it used to happen. Mostly sometimes break retest break, which is something like this. What is toolbox? Toolbox. Like, let me say here, something like this. Break retest and come down like this, or it will reach something like this. Break, undo, break and come back and go, something like this channel. So still, what we have to do is just follow the trend as it is, and I say potential. So after knowing this, what we have to do next, is to, I'm sorry, I paused the video. After that, what we do next is, we have already seen this is our monthly candle, right? And it's a big bullish candle. So now we dive into, let me say, week. Okay, this is on, it's on weekly. I didn't use monthly, it's on weekly. Let me check the monthly candle. Here. Till I minimize, till I turn the phone on. So look at it. Even on the GBP, on monthly, is also on a resistance level. Look at it here, like this. Let me do it like this. Here on the monthly is engulfing buy. That is broken. That is engulfing. And I say like this. So let me go to the weekly. This is the weekly. This is what happened in the weekly. This is what happened in the weekly. Engulfing sell, break here, engulfing break and come back. So what we are going to where we are going to monitor is this current zone here. This current zone is where we are going to stay and monitor. Let me change my chart line white. We are going to make use of the white as started. I don't want to make this video too long, so that's why I'm a little bit doing it faster. So without wasting time, let me go to, after weekly we dive into daily and see some potential movement. So with this, as I have seen, where I will look at like this here, look another engulfing buy here. So I'm making use of engulfing here. I will draw it to this level. After then, there's also another engulfing sell at this level. So this whole wide zone will move. So this whole will move here. So this is where the zone is supposed to be, and this is where the current price is, and this is the most powerful place. So trade carefully, trade carefully, trade carefully, please guys, trade carefully. This is, you can use this for the whole remaining month. This analysis, you can use it. Yeah. So here, as you can see, as far as this candle, this solid blue candle, this bullish, they not close above this, we are still looking for potentially to be sell. Yeah, there can be a retracement, but if nothing happens, it will break, then you wait for the test, then you buy and go. But if it not break and close, then we look for potential sells back to the downside. So here also we look for, here there's also another zone here. Remember, here is on daily, we are dealing with daily. Here, but I'm going to filter this down to H4. This I'm going to filter it to H4 because this upside zone is big. I'm going to filter it to H4. I'm going to filter it to H4. So after this, what will I look for also again? The upper part. If price can be able to reach, there are many zones to play with up here. If the price reach, what I'm saying also, you monitor it and see. You can come back to this video and be watching over and over. So here, here is the level that it happened, that all the four candles touch together, this zone. So this zone is so far powerful. I'm going to do zoom on this. Just join my Telegram. I'm going to do zoom so that I can explain each step by step how I mark this zone. It will reach like an hour video or 2 hours video on how the basic things you need to know how to mark these zones. Because if I'm doing it like this here, some people would think, oh, they won't understand how I did it. So it's better for you to join the Telegram channel or the WhatsApp group below so that you can be learning one after the other in a good way. So after getting the upper zone, then let me go down. Here there will be a potential retracement to this zone here. To this zone. Let me go to H4 so that I can see it clearly and see the setup order is weak or strong. The setup is not a two short T zones. But we have daily at least. Let me mark the daily first with white. So after this, so these are the zones we are going to work with on GBP USD. Buy, here is buy or sell, here is sell, here is sell. So whatsoever, when price reach, we need to monitor and see what is to happen. Like here, when you see there's rejection, when it comes back, this rejection. When you come back, this rejection. As you can see, right? So as you can see, as far as the candle, when the candle close, it should not come back and close above. As you can see here, when the candle break and close below, when it retrace, you sell. As you can see, this one is also happening all over. So let me go to H4 here. Let me go to H4. So H4, I can give this H4 zone. We have to monitor it and see what is going to happen in this H4 region. Wow. Yeah. Yes. So these are the zones we are going to work with. So here is so these are the zones we are going to work with. Buy, sell, it doesn't matter in the zone. Buy or selling, it doesn't matter in the zone. It doesn't matter in the zone. It's what you have in your psychology that matters, and the ability to stick to your rules. Let me check M15 so that you can see something also. And please remember, if this is your first time, please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. As we go further, we'll make the video more lively and more fun to do with. So as you can see, as price reached the zone here, it has started rejection. It has started showing interest of rejection. So there might be a pullback either this zone to continue. There might be a pullback to here, continue, or it will reach and drop. Something like, let me say like this. Let me use there's something like this from here to here, go back, or from here, when it reach here, it break, it will come back and reach here. No, I mean like this, break, retest, come back, and then from here come back here, or like this. So or like this, come back and go. But it depends how the market move. So I still remember Life as Official by name, so try to subscribe and turn the notification bell. So see you on my next episode. Peace.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.